Hey guys, welcome to IT Contents channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install HTOP in Linux. So specifically I'm using Linux Mint, but this will work on almost all the distros out there. Okay, and if you don't know what HTOP is a monitoring tool that you have in Linux. So it's an alternative to the top command if you have used the terminal before, or it's the same thing as Task Manager in Windows. So it just helps you manage your system, check out how resources are being used by what. So how to do that is opening up a new terminal. So once you have a new terminal, you just want to type in sudo apt install HTOP, like that, just like that. That simple command, press enter. It will ask you for a password, so I'll put in IT Contents password, like that. And it's a small thing which will take less than, should be 5 minutes to install, depending on how good your internet is. This is like a 1 minute process. Okay, so right now it's done installing, as you can see. So to run it, I just need to type in HTOP on my Linux terminal, press enter, and as you can see, I'll make this full screen, and as you can see, this is my task manager in a sense. Okay, so up here you have your cores. As you can see, I'm running a 4-core CPU, so those are core 1, 2 to 4, and this is my memory, meaning my RAM. Okay, then you've got my swap, and the specs are here. As you can see, the percentages of my cores there, and also my RAM. I'm having 12 gigs of RAM, so I'm using 1.7 at the moment with OBS running on the side. Okay, then here you have like task running and how many threads, and then what 2 things running, as you can see 3. So here you have load average, so this is your load average, and then this is the time the system has been up. So it has been up for an hour now. Okay, so as you can see, to just break it down for you, here you've got your process ID. So this is a process ID. Okay, and here under users, as you can see, these are being run by IT Content, which is the account name that I'm using for my Linux. Okay, then here this is root. Root is the one, or is the owner of the process, and here my SQL is the owner of that process, as you can see there. So here I'm running OBS, and as you can see, that's a service for OBS which is running. Okay, so if I wanted to kill or stop OBS from running, the way I clicked on it, so if I can find it again, like that OBS service there, I just need to press F9, as you can see here, to kill that service. Okay, so you've got a lot of things you can do with it, but you've got your process ID, user, and you've got your CPU usage, as you can see from there. I won't mention part of these other ones for now. Then you've got your memory that they're using in percentage, and the time they have been up or running. Okay, then here you have the commands which are running the process. Okay, so as you can see, you can still do some customizing with the HTOP tool, of which you can filter out by using the F4 button. So as you can see, if I press F4 on my keyboard, this white form of cursor will appear on top of the list. So now if I want a certain service to show up here, I just need to type in, let's say for example OBS, like that. So here I can filter out only the stuff with the OBS in it. So as you can see, all the commands with OBS are showing up. As you can see, if I do backspace and then I do, let's say for example, my SQL, like that, I'll be able to see all those services, and then I can just click on it and press F9 to kill the service. So that's how you can filter out. That's how you can filter out a service. Okay, then also I can press escape to come out from that search from my search results. Then also what you can do is by pressing F6, you can sort them in a way you want them to be. So if I say F6, I want to sort these processes. So if I want to sort it by percentage in CPU usage, I just click that and press enter, and it will make sure that it arranges them from the top to the bottom. So as you can see, that's 81. So that's just part of the HTOP. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any time I release a new video. So don't forget to also check out the video I've linked in the description for the 10 best settings for Linux Mint. You don't want to miss that. Please check it out in the description. See you in the next video.